Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and yeah, apologies for the long time between videos. Standard me. Been really busy around here, to be fair, doing lots of other things other than caravanning, unfortunately. The last time we went away was September, which we didn't film. We went to Wells Touring Park. We videoed it the last time we went there for you, so didn't feel it was worth doing again this time. However, today we're going to a site we've not been to before. We're going to Morn, which is the Winchester Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We're going there for the weekend, for the Christmas markets. We really do enjoy Winchester Christmas markets. So that's where we're going today. First job, we need to go and get the haircut. And we need to go and pick some bits and pieces up. And then we're going to go to the caravan, hitch up, and also try my new tow car, because I've got a new car. So it'd be good to try that out as well. So yeah, my first time tow with that. And then, yeah, off to Winchester for the weekend. So thought we'd bring you along with us, make a little video and do a video for the channel. Well, we are on the A303 now, heading down towards Winchester. We're in the new car, obviously, as you can see. So thought I'd fill you in. So recently swapped my car. So I stayed in the BMW family. We've actually stayed with the same engine, just a slightly different iteration. So this is a 2019, so with my other car, 520D MHT, so it's the mild hybrid, but this is a really nice spec car. We've got the full connected sat-nav, as we've got on there at the moment, which is really handy. We've also got the full wireless integration. We've got wireless charging, Harman Kardon 3D sound system. I've got heads-up display in front of me, which you won't be able to see. Memory seats, these are the full electric comfort seats, so they've got the full lumbar support, electric bolsters, electric headrests, everything's electric, so full electric, full leather seats, and it's in the M Sport Pro package, so we've got all the exterior body trim, and we've also got the upgraded alloy wheels and the Mediterranean blue paint. So yeah, nice spec car. Got it from Sitner BMW in Sunningdale. Did me a superb deal on buying this car and part exchanging my 3 Series, which did about 65,000 miles. This was very low mileage for the year. It's only on just under 40, about 38, so it was definitely worth changing. And it's towing lovely. We had the tow bar swapped over from my tow bar fitter, did that for me, which was really good of him. Just needed a new electric fitted, because the old wiring loop wouldn't have fitted, but the actual tow bar mechanism itself was all okay. But yeah, no, the extra weight of the 5 Series is about 200 kilos. It's certainly making a big difference in terms of the towing characteristics, and also the extra nose weight limit that we've got as well. So we're all set up here at Morn Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We're here on pitch 6, we're just by the toilet block, which is just there. They are doing some construction work at the moment here on the site, so the actual top part of the site, which is sort of up there, is actually closed for the winter, and they've got a couple of pitches closed because they're doing some new drainage works. But we've got a nice hard standing pitch here. The leaves have obviously been shredding their leaves, so we've got quite a bit of leaves on our pitch, but nice big pitch. We're not going for our hauling in the end this weekend, just keep it simple with just the caravan, which I reversed in here, no worries at all. Nice big pitch. Lucy's just in the van setting up the Christmas decorations, and then we have the car. So pretty dirty because well, the winter, everyone knows what it's like, but here it is. It's a Mediterranean blue 520D M Sport Pro, towed like an absolute dream. The extra weight, 1750 kilos. Curb weight, maximum tow is 2000 kilos, so takes our 1450 kilo one with ease. But yeah, so excuse the bit of mess. We had an M&S picnic on the way in. Need to clear that up in a minute, but yeah, it's got the comfort seats. It's a nice thing. Very pleased. So yeah, we're here for the weekend, 2 nights here at Morn, heading off into Winchester tomorrow for the Christmas markets. But yeah, really looking forward to this site. Everyone, and welcome to Saturday here at Morn in Winchester. Yeah, we've all got ourselves ready for the morning. Tried out the toilet block, or I certainly did this morning. Lucy had a shower in the caravan. Well, the toilet blocks actually are probably one of the best caravan and motorhome club sort of toilet blocks around, I'd say. Really nice, very clean, very modern. This site was only done up a couple of years ago. The actual top part of the site is actually closed at the moment, just for winter. We've got a couple of pitches closed down here because they're having some further renovation works done, which this being a weekend not made any difference to us at all. And the thing I would say is where we are here on pitch six, we are quite close to the road, so just be aware. That's probably my disadvantage, but it's because of how well we've pitched, is that especially at night you do get the cars coming past, but you know, I wouldn't say it's terrible, but it's just to be aware that if you really don't like it, either make sure you pitch right over the other side, or yeah, just have a little think. That's what I would
go down the bottom. There's like 3 tiers, isn't there?
Yes. And then there's also the top part of the pitch site as well, which has got the ferry pitches there as well, and if you come off from Southampton or Portsmouth, so it's quite good. But no, really nice site at the moment. Lucy's just putting some chicken and some bits in the slow cooker, because we're going to do on TikTok the viral Christmas fries for dinner tonight once we come back. But it's, what is it, 11:15. We're off into Winchester in a minute. We were going to get the bus from the top of the site. That was until we looked it up last night on the Stagecoach website. There's £11 return, or we can drive for 4 minutes down the road to the park and ride, and it's £3.50. So we're not cheapskates, but for nearly £10 difference, I'll drive 6 minutes down the road. I'm sure most of you would agree with me on that one. So yeah, no, we're going to drive down the road, go to the park and ride, hop on the bus into Winchester, and then we're going to the Christmas markets, and then we've then got a reservation at the Ivy this afternoon for something to eat.
And the rain just started.
The rain's just started again. Yeah, it rained all last night. The rain stopped for a couple of hours, and
it woke us up. It was so heavy.
It could be falling off the trees though.
Oh, maybe. I am hit. Shall I come in?
Oh yeah.
Hello. Yeah, it woke up at about 5 o'clock this morning.
Yeah,
being like, what is that noise?
And it was like so heavy last night, and then it rained constantly to about 9:30, and then it stopped. So we're hoping this might be it. Maybe it will.
I think it's meant to rain for a bit and then stop at midday. So hopefully.
Yeah.
We'll be all right.
Yeah, so yeah, we've got reservation for 3 o'clock at the Ivy. We tend to go there most at Christmas time.
We love their Christmas menu.
Their Christmas menu's brilliant. I'll try and actually do some filming in there, but they do a really nice Christmas menu. It's quite reasonably priced. It's really nice. So we always go every year to the Ivy at Christmas time. So we're going to go to the one in Winchester. Never been to the one in Winchester before, so that'll be nice. Going to try and pick up some Christmas presents for people while we're in Winchester as well. So.
Busy.
Have a little mooch. So yeah, we're going to finish off with the slow cooker, hop in the old motor vehicle, and go to the park and ride.
Let's go.
Perfect. We'll catch you in a bit. Well, you join us now back at the caravan after a wonderful day at Winchester. We've had a really great day. The markets were a little bit quieter than last year, so we actually managed to look around all of the stalls, which was brilliant, and we did it in record time. the whole actual cathedral bit in around an hour and a half. So it was really quite quick actually. Didn't have to queue to get in, and it seemed like there was more stalls this year. Less food stalls, more sort of craft stalls and just general, you know, stalls for gifts, which was great because we needed to buy some Christmas presents, as everyone does at this time of year. So as always, spend lots of money on gifts, which is nice. Always nice to give people really nice things, especially from the Christmas markets. So we did that, and then had a walk around Winchester, looked around some of the other shops and through the market bit in the main high street, which was good. And then we went to the Ivy, as we told you earlier, had a really great meal from their Christmas menu, which is always brilliant, always faultless. So went there for that, which was nice. It was so busy in there. So as we were busy, obviously, as you'd expect, service was a little bit slower, but nothing that we wouldn't expect because it was fully booked. So spent, probably about, we had 3 courses, so it's about an hour and a half, something like that, hour and 45 in there. By the time we'd had, drinks before and after, etc. So yeah, then we got the park and ride back. On that note, £3.50 for the day. The buses were excellent, as they always are in Winchester. It's just so easy. There's not much parking actually in Winchester town centre or city centre, especially when the Christmas market's on. So we always do the park and ride, and it's really good. We did the Barfield one again this year. It's less than 10 minutes from this caravan club site, and if you don't have a bus pass, obviously like we don't, it's a lot cheaper as well than using the normal bus that stops at the top of the road. So we're back at the site now. I did go for a little walk this evening, as you've just seen, from the Christmas lights around the site. And the top part of the site is closed at the moment, but you can still get up there. So I'm going to go up there tomorrow and do a little bit of a site tour and give you our thoughts and opinions on this Caravan and Motorhome Club site in Winchester. It's our first day here, and I'll give you our thoughts on that later on in the video. So we're going to call it a night this evening and catch up with you in the morning. So what are our thoughts on Winchester Caravan and Motorhome Club site? Excellent site, perfect if you're just coming off the ferry at Portsmouth or Southampton, or even Poole if you're heading north. Excellent for that. Excellent for a weekend away in Winchester, or maybe Guildford, Alton, somewhere like that. Would we stay here for a week away? Probably not. Maybe just not our kind of site, or what the sort of area we would want to spend a week in. And the road noise is just there. I'm sure you can hear it behind me. So I would definitely try and pick a pitch if I came here again a bit further away from the road. So yeah, I think we'll be coming back here for a weekend away, just a couple nights like we have done this time. It's been excellent for that, and good value for money. I think we paid £37 for the night for the 2 of us on a hard standing pitch, with the option of an awning if we wanted it as well. But like I said, that's our opinion. Extremely clean, extremely well maintained. It was only renovated a couple of years ago, so everything's perfect, all in superb order, and that's our opinion. If you want to come to the Winchester Christmas markets, maybe want to have a look around Winchester, I think it's absolutely excellent, and really close to all the amenities of Winchester and the surrounding areas. It's super close to the M3 as well, so really easy to get to, hence why they've got all these ferry pitches just up here behind me, and I think that is a great option for this site. And they are, last night I walked up here a bit later on, about 9 o'clock, and they were all full with people on them, so obviously a lot of people do use this provision on the site. So yeah, that's been our weekend here at Winchester Caravan and Motorhome Club site. As I said, the next time we are away in the caravan is at Cirencester Park over Christmas and New Year, so may well do some video of that. But if we don't, have a good Christmas and a fantastic New Year, and I'm sure we will speak to you all very soon. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, hype the video if the option is there. New part of YouTube, which a lot of people are doing, so hype it if you can. Comment below if you've got any comments or questions or suggestions, and I'll catch you in the next video. Many thanks. Bye bye.